Welcome back to No Scrap Diecast. And today I've got this Mercedes-Benz 2200 Binz ambulance. It's not in too bad a condition, just a bit grubby, and yeah, it looks alright. So let's get it on the bench and have a proper look. Alright, so we've got this Corgi Junior Mercedes-Benz from the car, so I'm not about to say it. Binz, I think that's how you pronounce it, ambulance. It's a 2200. It's not in bad nick, but if you look, I don't know how we can see it, but if you look like on here, it's like it's had, I don't know, coffee or something spilt on it. It doesn't wipe off. I mean, I suppose it could be nicotine, I suppose, but whatever it is, it doesn't want to come off. Doesn't in bad nick, but it needs doing. I don't want to keep it as an ambulance. I think as soon as I see the back of it, I know what I wanted to do with it. So I think you can guess what I'm going to do with it. There's a bigger version. I don't know if it's Dinky or is it Corgi, but that little air thing is on the top there, I think, in the lot. That's the other way around, and that's the doors open. This obviously been a Corgi Junior. It's just no doors opening, blue glass. I don't know if it's supposed to be like it, but I do like the way the flashlight just pushes down so it don't snap off. I'll take it as how it's supposed to be. We'll find out when we get it open. But yeah, so obviously I'm going to change that. It's not going to be an ambulance. Like I say, it's pretty obvious what it's going to be. What the plan is it's going to be. 3 posts. These two I don't think they're holding a lot, and they're easy to get to. This one in here might be a little bit more difficult. There's a bit out of the bumper. It might be a bit blurred, but it might be a bit of a job to get a drill in there. So we'll wait and see. The suspension is weak on these. You can stiffen them up, put a bit of plastic inside them, stiffen them up, but I quite like the way it looks. Sort of with the sort of arse down on it, and you know. But anyway, let's get it stripped and have a proper look at it. Right, I popped this one and this one, so it's just this one to go. I'm getting in that wheel's a bit low. There you go. That's off. It's quite small, isn't it? Yeah, so that flashlight is like on a spring, so it's a good idea because obviously it gets pushed down and it doesn't. Yeah. So if it gets pushed down, it doesn't get damaged. It's a good idea, isn't it? Very blue. Looks like purple, doesn't it? But, yeah, that's the glass. That's the base. Like I said, you can put something across here to make it a bit stiffer, but I don't know if I really want to yet. I think it might be alright as it is. This is the body shell. Also, I think it's just had something spill over it. But saying that, hang on. No, it doesn't smell smoky, I think. But yeah, not in bad condition. The thing that worries me a bit about it is the paint is really thick. So I think when I take it apart, they might need a bit of work. But yeah, it's alright now. Quite a heavy little body shell really for a Corgi Junior. And also, there's a lot to it, is there? No interior. No interior. That glass right there is really good, isn't it? You can see it's grubby by the way. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's like the little, you can see where the windows have been. So it needs a good wash. Yeah, and the base just needs a good wash, and then obviously need to sort the body shell out. Now, better. Right, as you can see, I've given it a bit of a polish. It's got a little mark in the door there, but it's not too bad. It wasn't too. There's a bit of damage on the side of the roof, and a very light pitting all over, but nothing worth sort of worrying about. I'm going to just give it a wipe over, and then I'm going to start the painting. You know what colour's going, so I'm sure you do if you haven't guessed it already. So I'm going to give it a go. I know to show every little mark up, but I want to give it several coats, and I want to give it several coats of lacquer. So it might work, it might not work. So one way to find out, isn't there? So I'm going to get on with it and get some paint on it. And if it doesn't work, I'll try again. If it doesn't work after that, then it might go back as an ambulance. Right, so there it is in black. It just had 5 coats of gloss black. You can't, it looks terrible in this light, I can see it on the camera, but in real life it looks mega. It literally just had the 5th coat of paint. So because it had so many, I'm going to let it vent off for an hour before I clear lacquer it. I'm going to do several coats of that as well. We might better hear the church bells, I don't know. Yeah, so I'm going to leave that an hour. And it looks out of focus on the what I can see of it. But anyway, I'll leave it an hour, and then we'll start doing the clear coat. Alright, there it is. It's only been finished about 3 hours, so I've got to be really careful with it. It's a little bit soft, very soft. What do you think? I hope the paint job comes out on the camera. Now there is a little bit just below my thumb there on the sill, but that's only in the top coat of the lacquer, the last lacquer coat I did. So ended up with 5 coats of gloss black and 5 coats of clear lacquer. It would have ended up with a lot more, but that's when it ballsed up on there, and I thought, right, that enough's enough. Half an hour break between each coats of lacquer, 15-minute break between coats of paint. So this took most of the day to do. Well, since 8:30, and I think it's about getting on the 7 o'clock now. So, like I say, it's had about 2 or 3 hours, not much at all. And I had to redo the grill. I don't know what the grill looks like there, but I mean, it looks all right to look at, but when I first done it, it looked white rather than silver, and that's when I give it this last coat of, I did that, and then I'll give it its last coat of clear coat, and that's when I got it. So I don't know if it was like, if it was a bit wet or something, it was blowback, or that just interfered with the lacquer, I don't know. So I sort of, obviously when I sprayed, I went this way first across the grill, so, but then I've had to redo that since, and touch up a bit more, but I'm happy with that. I hope it comes out as well as it, like I say, in real life. It's so shiny. Haven't bothered with rear lights. I kept looking at it. It's just not worth it. I will mess it up 100% doing in rear lights. But yeah, I'm well chuffed with that. And I've been doing next week's car as well at the same time. It's not black, it's a different colour, and that's come out even better. But yeah, so any marks you see on that is, do you know what, I can't even see that. Yeah, you can there, look, it's the lacquer, it's lifted, so I'm going to have to do something with that, but it is what it is, and I reckon I could probably polish it out or do something with that. It's only a coat of lacquer, isn't it? I've got to take a bit of lacquer off. I think it's too soft for tea-cut, but give it time, and then I'll have a look at it. So I'm going to put it together before I mess it up. Now the only thing is, I cleaned the windows, and they've been washed and through the pledge, but I didn't think of the colour until because now I'm sitting here, it looks really blue. So will it be too much to have that with, obviously I'm going to leave the blue light on it. So they can get to funerals in a hurry. Right, I forgot to say, the base, all I've done is wash it with some soapy water. Didn't think there's any point. I thought that was black, but that looks grey, doesn't it, next to that? But that's so shiny. Oh dear. Right, I'm going to put it together. There ain't a lot to this, remember, it's just, I'll try to keep it in the camera, but I can't really see them around here. Yeah, I did spray a little bit on my hand, as you can probably tell. Well, I don't know, it doesn't look too bad, does it? Well, it is what it is. I haven't done anything with the suspension. Like I say, you can just put a bit of, I don't know, credit card or something on there to stiffen it, or a bit of plastic. Just don't want to scratch it. Or leave fingerprints in it, because that would pay me off even more. I'd rather scratch it than... I'm not going to glue it together yet, because look, you can see it there, look, that. Oh, that looks terrible, doesn't it? But it's what it is. I don't look too bad with the blue windows. Don't look too bad. I'm being very gentle with it, because I know I've only got to catch a nail or something on it, and I'll be crying. I'll tell you I wouldn't be, but I would. So I don't know how that's coming out on the camera, but that has come out superb. I'm well chuffed with that. But I'm telling you, this is nothing compared to the one next week. You watch when I put that. I haven't put that together yet, but when I put it together, I'm bound to scratch that one. It's good, doesn't it? I'm happy. I'm happy with that. Very happy. Makes a nice change for me to be happy, doesn't it? We need to do a bit more of a clean, but there you go. I'll do it when it dries. Yeah. That's better than what it was anyway. Right, let's put it on the turntable and have another look at it. And yeah, I'm well chuffed. So this is what we started off with. Mercedes-Benz ambulance, not in too bad condition. A bit plain worn, looks like it's got something spilt all over it. Let's see what we ended up with. Right, as you can see, it's had a completely different colour change and change of jobs. It's no longer trying to save lives, but it definitely be taking you on your last journey. And yeah, it's come out really well. Apart from on the other side, there's a little bit of lacquer was caught by the back wheel arch. It looks massive on camera, by the way. It isn't when you're in the room. Again, it's black, and these roundabouts seem to attract the dust. So I've left the blue light on it so you can get to a funeral in a hurry. There's no need to be late for your own funeral anymore. And yeah, the blue windows don't actually look too bad on it. But I'm really chuffed with the paint. Like I say, next week, watch out when it comes, because that's even better, the paint job. But yeah, it's attracting dust as he goes around. I can see more and more dust on the glass and on the, but like I say, for further back. Hopefully you can see it. Right, anyway, if you like it, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to. It's free. It just means you get notifications of my videos. And I'll see you next Friday. So bye for now. Remember, it's okay not to be okay.